Hello, Paul again here from AMD Automotive in Canberra. I've got this water pump here that I'm doing today. I'm taking all the bolts off. If you're wondering how many bolts are there, screws or bolts you call them, there's 10 of them. There's 10 bolts holding it in to here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to clean the mating surface on the engine side or the front cover side. Make sure it's nice and clean, and then I actually install the pump. Alright, just want to show you how bad it is if I take it off. If you want to take it off, it's really hard to pry it off, so we'll just get a rubber hammer like that, a mallet, and just tap here. Just tap on this corner. Just tap on the corner, make sure you've got a container underneath for the actual coolant to go to when they go out, when they are leaking out. So just a little tap. See how easy it is. Just a little tap like that. On this side here as well. And then scrub it. Make sure you got the container there, like I said. Oops. You can't really get everything out. Doesn't matter how you try. You still get it on the floor. Anyway, so alright, now there it is. There's the rubber. See it there? See, it's all flat. Look at that. That's pretty bad. There's nothing left on this one here. It's old. So now I'm going to clean all that out nice and neat before I install the pump. This one here. Alright, that'll be another video. So, and I'll show you how to take the actual belt off as well. It's a tool that goes into here, and then you got to actually detension the actual belt. It's a T60. That's all you need, T60, and then detention the belt so you can take it off. But make sure when you finish installing every time you finish installing a water pump or whatever job you do, take the actual belt out and clean it properly before you put it back in. Take all that stuff off. You don't need that in the belt because they're going to eat the belt away and cause some problem in the future, and it won't last that long. Alright? Okay. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.